In December 2019, a new disease with pneumonia-like symptoms dubbed novel coronavirus disease or COVID-19 caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus spread across Wuhan, China. Within days, this disease became a global threat and the World Health Organization, WHO, classified it as a pandemic. The ongoing impact of COVID-19 on hospital service utilization in the Philippines points to an impending public health crisis in countries with fragile health systems. During the periodic waves of COVID-19 and lockdowns, policymakers must adopt a comprehensive health strategy that considers all conditions, service networks, and access for the most vulnerable. As we look at the impact of the pandemic in the Philippines, hospitals are struggling to cope with the most severe waves of COVID-19. This caught the eye of the researchers or developers of this project, so decided to create a project that could support the COVID response, especially in your local government or community. The goal of this Caloocan COVID Control Center project research is to integrate a solution for a specific COVID response challenge with patient data monitoring and management. The oldest clinics in the country used outdated processes and methods to keep records. However, over time, these outdated methods of handling and managing patient records have proven ineffective. This project could at least help keep all records in one place and also monitor COVID patients and events related to Caloocan City.
This is our system login page. Just enter the correct username and password. Dashboard. In this tab, you can see the total number of patients in each category. If you click the View All Details, it will display the patient information. In Patient tab, you can view all the patient information, and you can also add, update, and delete patient informations. In Centers tab, you can add centers by filling up the form after you click the Add New Center button. Also, you can update and delete centers. In User Management tab, you can add users that can access the system, and you can also assign their user type. In Inquiries tab, you can view all the inquiry that people send via our landing page. In our landing page, you can see the carousel that includes the name of our system and its logo. In the middle part, you can see the 4 symptoms category. In the bottom part, you can see the short description in our system, and it also have a footer. In About Us, you can see the Mac version of mission and vision of the system. In Center, you can see the different centers that can accommodate COVID patients in Caloocan City. It also includes the name, short description, address, and hotline of the centers. In Updates, you can see the summary of the total COVID-19 patient around Caloocan City. Contact us. People can send inquiries by filling up the contact form in this page.